Meaning of the English idiom, pick holes in something. Also used, pick something to pieces and pick apart. To pick holes in something is to find the weak points in someone's argument, plan, suggestion, idea, or theory. To criticize or find faults in something. To point out the flaws in something. Usage notes. This phrase usually has the connotation of excessive analysis and non-constructive criticism. When you pick holes in someone's idea, you are not usually doing it to be helpful or constructive, but simply combative and oppositional. Pick something to pieces or pick apart can be used interchangeably with this idiom, although each has its own separate literal meaning as well as additional figurative sense. To pick holes in something can also have a literal meaning, referring to poking or pinching physical holes in something. Stop picking holes in the bread. If you want to eat something, cut off a slice. Don't pick at it. Examples of use. You've picked holes in everybody else's ideas, but so far you haven't offered up any of your own solutions. Put up or shut up. It was easy to pick holes in the testimony of the hired witness. They were just in it for the money. I can't deal with him anymore. He constantly picks holes in everything I say. His fellow academics picked his theory to pieces, but in the end, he was vindicated. By the time the editor got done picking apart my article, I had to start all over. Origin of idiom. To pick holes in something has been used figuratively since the mid-1600s. It uses the word pick in the sense of pierce or poke. This literal use dates as far back as the 1300s.